In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Excel into QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your spreadsheets into QuickBooks without losing information or creating a mess in your books. Let's start right inside QuickBooks Online. Once you're signed in, look for the gear icon, usually in the upper right corner of your screen. This is your settings menu. Click on that, and from the options that appear, select Import Data. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of its import tools in one place. On the Import Data page, you'll see different types of information you can bring in. Depending on what you're working on, you might choose Customers, Products and Services, your chart of accounts, or journal entries. Take a moment to pick the type that matches the Excel file you've prepared. Choosing the correct category is important because it tells QuickBooks how to interpret the information in your file. Next, it's time to upload and map your data. You'll see an option to browse for a file. Click Browse, then navigate to the CSV file you've saved on your computer and select it. Make sure the file is closed in Excel before you upload it, just to avoid any conflicts. Once the file is uploaded, QuickBooks will show you a mapping screen. This is where you match the column headers from your spreadsheet to the fields that exist in QuickBooks. For example, if your spreadsheet has a column called Customer Name, you'll use the drop-down menu to map that to the Name field in QuickBooks. Go through each column carefully and match it to the appropriate field. If there's a column you don't need, you can usually leave it unmapped so it doesn't get imported. If QuickBooks detects any issues, it will highlight those errors, often in red. This might be something like an invalid date, a missing required field, or a format it doesn't recognize. When that happens, pause the import, go back to your original spreadsheet, correct those cells, save the file, and then try the upload again. It's better to fix problems at this stage than to clean them up after the import. When everything is mapped and error-free, you're ready to finalize the import. QuickBooks will give you a preview or review screen. Take a moment to scroll through and confirm that the information looks right. In some cases, you may need to confirm which transactions or records to import. Once you're satisfied, click the button that says Import or Start Import. QuickBooks will process the file and bring your Excel data into the system. After it's done, it's a good idea to spot check a few records in QuickBooks to make sure everything imported as expected.